Welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you how to create a YouTube account, and from that YouTube account you can create a YouTube channel and monetize it. Alright, so let's get started. Tap on the YouTube icon to open YouTube. Okay, I am in one of my YouTube channels, so I'll go ahead and tap on switch accounts, and then I'll tap on this plus icon at the top. That is when you are going to create a new account. Since YouTube is a Google product, we will have to add a Google email. If you have a Google account, you can enter the email down here, or if you don't have one, you have to create one. Tap create account. You can choose for personal use. You enter your first name, your second name, and then you tap on next. Your basic information, month, date and year, that's your birth date, and then your gender, and tap on next. Now you have to create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. For the username, you can use letters, numbers or symbols to create your Gmail address. As you enter the characters and tap on the next button, Google will tell you if the username is already been used. If it is not used, then they will sign you in. If it is used, they will give you options, so you will be able to choose from those options. Choose the username that you're going to use, and you tap on next. Create a password that you can easily remember, and tap on next. Now adding phone number is just an option. You can add your phone number. Before that, you have to select your country, and then later you enter your phone number down and tap on next button. For my case, I'm going to skip this process. Tap on next and scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions that is given. Tap on that agree button, and then you wait for your account to be created. You can now select the account that you just created and you tap on it to enter. Congratulations, your YouTube account is created. In our next video, we are going to look at how to create a YouTube channel. So keep following, subscribe to my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video.